Hi learners! Welcome to our Learning Math series. My name is Coach MJ and I'm from Tula and Tutor ko. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang divisibility by 10. Ano kaya to? Sige, simulan natin. Picture this. There are 25 singers in your class and you all want to join a group singing competition. Ngayon, may dalawang rules or requirements ang contest na gusto niyong salihan. First, your audition song must be original. And second, there should be exactly 10 singers per group. Hindi niyo na problema ang unang rule kasi madali na naman para sa inyo ang sumulat ng original na kanta. Pero ang problema niyo ay ang second requirement. Kung kailangan ng 10 singers per group na sasali, makakasali ba kayong lahat sa singing contest? Ang mga tanong natin ngayong araw ay, can you all join the singing competition? Or do you need more classmates to join so that no one will be left behind? In math terms, is 25 divisible by 10? Pero ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng is divisible by? Kapag sinabi natin is divisible by, it's the same as saying can be exactly divided by. Pag sinabi natin exactly, dapat walang may iwan o matitira. Pero baka iniisip nyo, Coach MJ, kung parehas naman pala sila, bakit kailangan ko pang aralin to kung marunong na akong mag-divide? Kahit na sinasabi natin that the phrase is divisible by is the same as saying can be exactly divided by, there are differences in terms of how we do it. When we use division, there will be long calculations, lalo na kapag malaki yung numbers, so mas matagal gawin. But when we use divisibility, there can be little to none of those long calculations, so mas mabilis gawin. Kaya tayo may tinatawag na divisibility rules. They help us test if a number is divisible by another number without having to do much calculations. All you have to do is to look at the digits closely. But how will we know what rule to use? Dahil kailangan nyo ng 10 singers per group, gagamitin natin ang divisibility rule of 10. If the digit in the ones place is 0, it is divisible by 10. So ngayon, mas specific na ang tanong natin. Is 25 divisible by 10? O kaya, can 25 be exactly divided by 10? Let's figure it out. So ang given natin ay 25. Step 1, identify the digit in the ones place. If you need a reminder, the ones place is the rightmost digit. So in this case, it's 5. Step 2, determine if that digit is 0. And is it 0? No. Therefore, 25 is not divisible by 10. That also means na hindi kayo lahat makakasali kasi may iwan na 5 walang ka-group. So let's go back to our questions. Now we know that all 25 of you cannot join the singing competition. So do you need more classmates to join? Let's see. Dahil gusto nyo talagang sumali ng group singing competition, sinubukan nyo pang maghatak ng ibang classmates. And thankfully, may 5 kayong classmate na pumayag. Hindi pa raw sila magaling kumanta, but they are willing to try and learn. Now, if there are 30 of you who wants to join the singing competition, pwede na kaya kayong lahat sumali? Let's find out. Again, let's use the divisibility rule of 10. This time, our given is 30. Step 1, identify the digit in the ones place. In this case, it's 0. Step 2, identify if that digit is 0. Is it 0? Yes, and that means 30 is divisible by 10. So let's go back to our questions again. Our answer is definitely a yes. Buti na lang may 5 kayong classmate na gusto rin palang sumali. To summarize, the divisibility rule of 10 tells us that if the digit in the ones place is 0, it is divisible by 10. Super simple, right? In fact, it's so simple that we can practice what we learned together by answering these without the steps earlier. Sige nga, 34, is it divisible by 10? No. 16? No. 250? Yes. 20? Yup. 243. Nuh-uh. What about 3,000? That's a check. And good job! You finished watching our video about divisibility by 10 from the Learning Math series. May natutunan ka ba? Gusto mo pang mag-level up? Click that bell button below to subscribe so you'll get notified of new videos. Pwede mo ring puntahan ang YouTube channel namin. Happy learning!